that he has the inner beauty. He has the kindness. He had the loyalty towards.
I don't think like that. I will think like I pay him a lot. Like now he is respected to me and he will follow my all orders. That's all. I don't feel like kindness. In our family there was two brothers.
Okay.
He telling us his own story.
Okay.
His older brother in army, but he don't make money like him. So
Because he was teacher.
yeah. He making so much money from YouTube and his classes, but his older brother can't make that much amount of money because he is in army. So that's why he's saying our mother loves me more than other brothers.
Oh.
That both of the things are important, but the more is inner beauty. Because if you don't have the inner beauty, you will become more aggressive, more egoistic, more greedy about
More
the-
greedy.
And someone with mental state, you can't help them mentally. You can help them financially, but you can never help them mentally because you can't understand their situation if you don't have the inner beauty.
Yes, yes.
You can't even get a brother who
In this era, sir, I
Yes.
declining about these things.
Yes, send
Because
us the
in this era, there was no any person.
Yes,
I
this-
don't think no one is kind.
Okay.
No
I
one is
also-
kind in this era.
I also said that this era lacks the inner beauty. That's why they don't know the
What?
value.
Can you repeat?
This era, the people nowadays, they lack the inner beauty. That's why they don't know the importance of
So
it.
that's why I'm saying there is no inner beauty. That's why money is more important in this era.
Because they lack the inner beauty, they should know the importance of
But
it.
you have
That's
to
what I'm
see
saying.
why they lack their inner beauty. Why?
Why?
Because of the
Showing the
money.
why they because of the money.
The poor
Good
people
question.
being getting more poor and the rich one becoming more rich.
More rich. Because they don't have inner beauty.
Yes, sir. No one have inner beauty.
But you want. People
No,
say
I
that.
don't even want.
Want this inner beauty.
Because
okay,
you
what
can't
you
do
want?
anything in this
But
era.
what kind of vibe do you want? What kind of vibe do you want?
Sir, I don't even think about wedding. I don't want to wed to anybody. I don't even think about that thing.
What kind of friend you have?
I genuinely
You
have
have friends. You have friends, and sometimes they can be girl, boy, both. What kind of friends do you want? Loyal friends,
not
loyal friends,
no, sir.
or like selfish friends?
Selfish friends.
You want selfish friends? Why?
Because they can uh, give you more experience than anything that you want in your life. I just
You always
Can you
have
explain?
experience.
I just have only one loyal friend
Yes.
because I'm with him from my childhood.
So
and
you
I
have,
believe in only him.
you love him. You love him a lot. You love him a lot.
Yeah, we do.
Why you love him a lot? Because
Because he is my friend.
he is a friend and he is loyal.
Because he is loyal. That's the inner beauty.
He is not loyal at all.
Right now,
I don't spend my whole time with him. I just spend.
The term trust comes from the inner beauty. Comes from the inner beauty.
Inner beauty.
But money can buy that thing also.
You can get the trust.
Money
With
can
money,
only
you
money
can get trust. with money.
money can only attract the people for some time. They can't give you the kindness they
For
give.
the lifetime.
Yes, they can't give you the kindness for the lifetime and like they give to their loved ones.
For the lifetime.
If you have a driver, he will work for you being scared. But sometimes he can betray you.
If there was a driver with me from a long time, of course he will believe on me or I will believe on him.
Because that time you know about it, he has the inner beauty. He has the kindness. He had the loyalty towards.
I don't think like that. I will think like I pay him a lot. Like now he is respected to me and he will follow my all orders. That's all. I don't feel like kindness.